Hi everyone, my name is Anshu Papane and today I am going to walk you through my website analysis for Go.com. It's a part of our information systems for managers model 3 assignment and I picked Good because it's not just an online store, it's a cool blend of e-commerce, training, sneaker culture and tech. So let's get into started with the introduction. Uh, Good is a global online market that sells say sneakers, apparel, and accessories, but it's not like Amazon. What makes special about this is it comes it comes normal buying with a live binding system, strict to product authentications, and global shipping. It's like a sneaker stalker market. That's why I thought it would be interesting to explore how technology works behind the scenes. So when coming to the Tech Goat websites and apps are built using modern tools. On the front end, we use React Native that helps them to smooth user interface for both mobile and web. And they also use WebSocket technology, which refreshes the live prices really fast, even like in every half seconds. And behind the scenes, the backend runs with Node.js and Python. Python helps with AI-based features like recommendations. They also use a PostgreSQL SQL for managing data and Redis for speeding up. Inventory updates also will be done in by using PostgreSQL. All this work together to make the site super quick and dynamic. When we seek for when we win with the seekers and see the prices, they change instantly. So it's like when we open Uber and if we see first it will be the some price, and when we open again after sometimes it will be the different price. Like it makes very changes very quickly. So like that, it's similar to that. And coming to the e-payment systems, Code supports cards like Visa, Mastercard, PayPal, um, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and even something called code credits to keep transactions safe. They follow PCI DSS level 1 standards and use 3D secure verification. They also use AI to detect fraud, and their fraud rate is impressively very low, that is 0.5%. And the one interesting thing about escrow system is when you buy something, your money does not go to the seller immediately, but is held until the go checks and confirms that item is authenticate. And this builds the trust, and especially since some products cost like 800 to $1,000, so customers will feel very safe. Their money does not go anywhere. So that was the most special thing about this. And now let's talk about the mobile. That's Goats app is really well designed with features like barcode scanning to find the sneakers quickly, and like AR, so you can virtually try on shoes, like virtual shoes trial, and some notification for updating like bin updates. And around 80% of the purchase happen on your mobile, and the other app loads super faster and like in a seconds. It even runs at 60 frames per second, which makes it feel smooth and modern. Honestly, their app experience is better than the website experience. So I prefer app more than the desktop side. And when coming to the CRM, how they handle customers is like before that, the CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. The Go users, it is this very smart way. Like they store encrypted user data like order history or browsing history, and the wish list is very encrypted. And then using AI, they personalize the each person's homepage and show them relevant products or price drops. Uh, those are also like send alerts for products you're watching and highlighting their trends based on our location. This personalization leads to higher conversions, meaning more people buying things, and a lot of users will keep coming back again and again. So this app is like this is like well structured to make to attract people more. Um, that's all about CMR. Then coming to the cloud usage, Goat mainly uses cloud services to run their business. So around 65% of the system is on Amazon Web Services. They use it for computing power, strong pictures, and even recognizing product images. Is also like we can directly recognize the images. We can upload the image to the camera, and we can just they'll give the personalized relevant images according to our image. So they also use like Google Cloud about 30% for analytics and dynamic pricing tools. A small part of about it is 5% that runs on their own private cloud. Using the clouds helps to handle the huge traffics and spikes during the sneakers drops and ensure global users get fast, smooth access all over through the world. So this is about their cloud storage. And coming to the business intelligence, goat collects a lot of data, things like pricing trends, demands in the different regions, and how many items passes or failure authentication, and how user interacts with the website, like desktop site and the app. This helps the team and partners to make sure the smart business decisions can be done. For example, brands can be planned with the sneakers launches better, and marketers can like they can make ads on the peak demand, so they will keep some ads also when it is in festivals times or in weekends. So they will have a resale index also that predicts when shoes will gain value over time. And the fun fact is like shoes released on a weekends tend to appreciate 20% more than the weekday drops. So this is what the overall website tells us. And to wrap up with, GOAT is a perfect example of how technology and business work hand in hand. Therefore, they built a smart, secure, engaging platform that's not just about buying things, but also about trust, speed, and personalizations. Um, so whether it's their tech stock, payment systems, and mobile design, or business intelligence, GOAT shows us what a modern e-commerce can look like. I prefer GOAT more than the other shoe services. So thank you so much for watching my presentation. I hope you find